Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. On this video, we're going to talk about how you can add, BNB Smart Chain on Metamask, okay? So please, you first have to get your Metamask wallet. So this is my Metamask wallet. Then you log in, so go to Play Store or Apple Store and download it. Okay, then you create your account. Make sure you keep your secret phrase in a very nice area so that anytime you have issue with the wallet, you can use that same seed phrase to open your account. Okay, so now this is the wallet. This is the wallet. So you just go straight to the three lines, left corner. Then you click on the settings. Okay, you go to settings, you come down small, you see settings, so you click on settings. Then you go to networks. Okay, networks, so you click on networks. Okay, so now already I've added the smart chain, but I'm just using this as a tutorial. Okay, so you go to add network, so you get this new RPC network. Okay, so over here you have to fill the space here. So what you have to do is that you have to go to, you have to get the information. So the person who is trying to connect you or whatever will send you this information. Okay, you need to get, the smart chain details. So as you can see, we have how to bind. Okay, this is Nihao BNB, but then this is general. Anytime you want to add smart chain in the Metamask wallet. So let's start from here. Download Metamask, write down and keep your password and secret recovery phrase in a secure place. Next, create Binance Smart Chain Network. So step 1, click the blue lines on upper left corner of the Metamask. 2, go to settings. 3, click network. 4, add these details on check marks. Okay, so first of all, I have to add smart chain. Second, I'll add the RPC URL, so I'm going to copy that one, and then I'll add the chain ID, then symbol, that is BNB. So let's go and do it. Okay, so I'll just come here, then I will go to network, add network. So I'm going to write smart chain, then I will paste the link here. The first link I copied, I will paste it here. So paste, then I'll come and write 56, that's the chain ID. Then the symbol, I'll write BNB. Then I need to add the next URL. So I'll go back to my WhatsApp, then copy the last one, that is bscscan.com. So I've copied it. I'll go to my Metamask, go here, then I'll paste it over here. Paste. Now that is it. So I'll click add. Okay, I'll click add. I've already added, so I'm not going to click the add. So this is how it is. So this is the information. Smart chain, you add the RPC URL, chain ID 56, symbol BNB, then you add your Explorer URL. So that is how it is. So how do you see this video? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.